Happy New Year, everyone! Welcome to Cook with Lynn. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today we're going to make a very easy shrimp fried rice. Did I say easy? Yes. And fried rice is so popular and can be a perfect meal on a busy day. And please stay till the end. I'm going to answer some of your questions I received recently about fried rice. Let's get started. I have 2 cups of leftover rice from last night. So make sure you crumble it so this way they're separate. And I have 1/3 of a pound of shrimp. It's 8 shrimp. 8 is the number in Chinese. We just need to season with a little bit white pepper powder and pinch of salt. Mix. And I have 2 eggs. Just season with a little bit of salt. Did you realize that each ingredient or each step in Chinese cooking, we season it, building the flavor. I also have 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. It's perfect for shrimp fried rice. I just add a little bit hot water to dilute it. So this way the sauce is going to distribute easily. Now we're ready to cook. First, heat up some oil, give a swirl. First, we're going to make scrambled eggs. Turn the heat to medium low. That's how we're going to make it into small pieces. Okay, now let's take out the eggs. I'll add a little bit more oil. And we're going to cook shrimp. Cook about 2 to 3 minutes till shrimp is pink or translucent. And it should be C, not O. That would be overcooked. Add some chopped garlic. Okay, we're ready to take out the shrimp. Set aside. Now add a little bit more oil. Let's cook our vegetables. First, diced onion. Now we can get all the bits from the wok. Cook about 1 minute. Just pinch of salt, help soften. About a minute, we add bean sprouts, handful. Now it's time to add our rice. Break it while you stir. Cook about 2 to 3 minutes till the rice heat up. After about 2 to 3 minutes, you can see our rice so separate and getting some color. Now let's add some soy sauce. Now we add shrimp, eggs back, stir together. Now we add oyster sauce. We finish with some green onions. Optional, you can add some sesame oil. And our shrimp fried rice is ready. Wow, Smells so good. Cheers
Cheers.
to the new year.
New Year.
To the first recipe.
Wow, that's good.
Shrimp. Great. Bean sprouts add the crunchiness, right? Okay, Ray, can you ask those questions from our viewers?
Question number 1 is, do you need to use soy sauce when you make fried rice?
Yeah, it's good to use soy sauce for aroma and for flavor, but not all the fried rice requires soy sauce. For example, Yanchao fried rice normally doesn't have soy sauce.
Great. Second question is, what kind of rice should you use to make fried rice?
I normally use long grain rice, jasmine rice, because it's less starchy. Or if you like brown rice, it's a great option. So that would be my options.
And the third question is, when you're making fried rice, can you use freshly cooked rice?
Yes. Normally we prefer like a day-old rice because the moisture will be out, right? It's easy to cook. But if you fresh made today and you just leave in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to cool off, and you can use it. It doesn't have to be leftover cooked rice. This fried rice is so easy to make and also packed with protein and vegetables. Please try to make it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.